Pancho State Park and Exhibit Hall in Columbus, New Mexico.
Hi folks, I'm Gary and welcome to White Eagle Videos. I'm at Pancho State Park in New Mexico, about 3 miles north of the Mexican border at this time. It's a nice, very clean, very well kept park. Lots of sights. I guess it's so far south that they do have quite a few openings. I checked at other New Mexico state parks and they're all booked up. This is kind of a neat place since the little town about 3 miles south of here is in Mexico, Palomas. Lots of desert cactus and other desert plants. I've seen jackrabbits and road runners running around this morning. Kind of cool. It got down to about 32 last night, but I'm headed on closer to Tucson today. I'll be checking a ghost town just south of Lordsburg off of I-10. Hopefully I'll encounter some spirits while I'm there, and I'll take you along for the journey. Each site here has a covered picnic area, water and electric, and a group picnicking area, bathroom and shower facilities in 2 different locations.
Feeling some strange energies here at the exhibit hall at the entrance of Pancho State Park.
I'm inside the Pancho exhibit hall, which has a number of artifacts from the time of Pancho Villa. An old machine gun from back in the time of Pancho Villa.
I do it my way. I don't, you don't do it the other way. Everything is yellow to me because that keeps it easier instead of, I forgot how to do it. To be honest with you, I've been up here for so long. Yeah. No, we can go get his money for it. Oh, really?
This is the area where they had an encampment in 1917, looking south on Coots Hill, then and now. Pancho Villa's raid on Columbus. That's the little village here next to the state park.
I felt some strange energy in different locations as I traveled around the park, but here in the exhibit hall I noticed several glitches with the camera and with the gimbal that holds the camera in one position. It did a lot of jerking and actually stopped moving in some locations. It acted like something was draining the battery and causing it to malfunction. Right in this section, notice my gimbal messing up again, causing the jerking motion.
There's a photo of the armored vehicle that's outside. There's Pancho posing with an Indian motorcycle in El Paso in 1914. There's a photo taken in 1914 with Pancho Villa in the middle and General John Pershing to his right, or to our right, his left.
If you notice any strange anomalies in the video, leave a comment below.
Here's a layout of Pancho Villa State Park. Camp Furlong Recreation Hall is one of the restored buildings in the park recognized on the National Register of Historic Places.
In the next video, I'll be checking an old historic church that's been abandoned and has reported spirit activity in and around the location. If you follow along, let me know if you spot anything in the videos and share it with others.